the killer of the industry. Do this and your hair will grow in 8 days. At present, the topic of growth and hair loss not only affects men, it also affects women. Both men and women are not willing to show a poor hair without any beauty. We have the best recipe for hair growth. Try it and surprise yourself. Long hair is one of the many characteristics that define women, and even forms part of the system that protects our body against damage. This time we bring a simple, yet powerful, treatment or a home remedy that promises to remedy hair loss problems faster than we imagine. This is the best treatment for hair growth of all time, since it will return that mane that never had, or that by some circumstance was losing. But first let's look at the most common causes of hair loss. It is very important to take care of what we eat, since it is directly related to this problem and any other health problem. The taking of some medications causes the involuntary loss of hair. Age is also a very important factor, and as time goes by, it shows a lot in our hair, just like in other parts of the body. Needless to say, I share this remedy. When you use it, you are going to hallucinate, since the hair will not stop growing. You will see. Ingredients: 1. 4 spoonfuls of cumin powder. 2. 150 milliliters infusion of mint. Preparation: 1. Let's prepare the infusion of mint. 2. Then we add the rest of the ingredients and mix very well. 3. When it is warm, we will apply it throughout our scalp, and let it act with a hat or plastic bag for an hour. 4. To see results faster, you can do it 2-3 times per week. I ask 3 favors. 1. Subscribe. 2. Share it with your friends and family. 3.